Good day everybody, my name is Kevin from Researcha Capital, and today we're going to be looking at strike-throughs in Excel, so crossing out of the words. So this is applicable to PowerPoint, Microsoft Word and Excel. So in this example, let's highlight row 7. We're going to want to say format cells, so you can either put Control 1 on the keyboard or you can right click and format cells. And then let's just remove this part. Under the font tab there's a part that says effects. You're going to click strike through and then you'll see the preview. So if you click strike through, untick, there we have it. And if you want to make it red, Control 1, let's make the color red, so it looks like we're crossing it out. There we go. Hope you enjoyed this episode. Remember to like and subscribe below, and ask me what you want to know in the next video. Thank you.